Come test drive the 2016 XJ. The Jaguar XJ has a strong, refined V8 engine, and the 6-speed automatic was very smooth, a true leader in their class, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.